Hey everybody, Dr. Steve Wilson's with Back to Action Chiropractic with another segment of Ask the Doc. Okay, a lot of people ask me, Doc, what is that sound that is created when you adjust me? Well, that's known as a cavitation. And a cavitation is a change in pressure and it's a release of a gas in a synovial joint, which is surrounding the different joints that we are working on. And what we're trying to do is release that pressure so that the nervous system is functioning at its highest level. If there's any breakdown in communication between the brain and a different part of the body, that can lead to pain or lack of function. Both ways we can restore function and the healing capacity within the body, which decreases the pain, increases your ability to function, maybe even increases your athletic performance. So all great things that can happen. It's not just with different muscles and joints, but it can be with underlying tissues as well. So if you have any questions, shoot me an email, give me a call. Dr. Steve Wilson's Back to Action Chiropractic.